Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jacob.
And we're E3 Farmstead.
Welcome to our adventure. Come join us. Like and subscribe. Now let's get on to the video.
Well, guys, we got up and kind of got started early this morning. But we had a bunch of errands to run in order to get some supplies that we needed to finish winterizing. But I'll show you what we did get accomplished so far, and then we'll bring you along for the rest of it. So we got our front porch all cleaned off. We got all of our summer and spring stuff put away. We got our heat lamps and bulbs and all of that going there. That'll be going in our stock tank heater, or going in our stock tank, in our chicken coop, and in the goat pens. And I'm going to take you out here now to the goat pen. That way you guys can see what we've got going on in here. We're doing a little bit of clean out in here so that we can start working on finishing up the separate pens, which will kind of look like that. We're going to tear down this section in the middle here and these two doors that go into the pens, and we're just going to make it one big area with 3 stalls. So we have 1 male goat and 2 full-grown female goats. And so we had to have them separate because we're not breeding right at the moment. And separated by this little section here. At first we had it set up wonky, but this worked good because we've got 2 doors on this shed here, on this goat shed out here. But we set it up like this and it's just not working for us anymore. So what we're going to do is we're going to tear all this middle section out, and then we've built little stalls I can get y'all over here out of pallets. And what we're going to do with those is we've got 1 on this side. We're going to put 2 on this side. And that way we can put our buck in one. We're going to put 1 doe in one doe in another one, on this side. And they'll be separated by this. And then I'm going to take one of these 4x4s here, and I'm going to bring it in. I'll bring it in so that I can separate the 2 female stalls on this other side. Whew. That way they'll quit fighting over feed and all of that fun stuff. Plus it'll open it up. It'll give us a little more room. Now, our outside sections, we've got this side here for the girls. So they'll be able to come out outside still on this side. And then we've got it blocked off to where they can't get out there, and then it's separated from Hugo, our beautiful male goat. And then I've got to take this piece of tin off and redo it. I got to put another piece of tin on there because it got hung up on the ground and everything. So we'll get that squared away, and it looks like Hugo's going to come say hi.
Disclaimer, no animals were hurt in the making of this video.
Watch out there, Hugo.
The cat food.
Show me your muscles, baby. Show me your muscles.
Lack of.
Babe,
Yep, that's lack of muscles.
show me your muscles. You beast. Come back, buddy. Come here. Come here. Oh my goodness. Oh boy, bye.
Not the mama.
Look, there's little arrows on it. Look, very helpful. Where'd you go? Oh, you're up there.
Cleaned it.
So that panel could probably be reused.
Yep.
This, probably not.
No, this is done. This is junk.
Same with what's on the doors.
Yeah.
It's PJ, okay? Nope, nope,
Need
nope.
the drill window. Sweetheart.
Wait,
I need a drill, please.
here you are, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Alrighty, so I'm gonna turn you guys around. We got all of that out. Now we've got to work on leveling out the floor a little bit in here. But these are our stalls that we're building. They just kind of open up and you keep them in there. This one's not quite square right at the moment, but once we get it all straightened back out, I'll get it square and everything. But that's where we're at right now. Jacob went down to the shop to get the chicken wire, the staple, and some staples and a stapler. And I'm going to work on building these other 4 sides if we have enough stuff to do it. If not, I'll get as many sides done as possible, and I'll bring you back for it.